Hello and thank you for tuning in again. Today we're going to do another short video. Today the topic is NA on tax transcripts. Tax transcripts are not available yet. We know it can be frustrating if you're checking your tax records on the IRS tax transcript website and you see an NA instead of a tax transcript year. It is important to be able to view your tax transcripts online. Tax transcripts follow your tax return from receipt to completion. Tax transcripts document all the transactions that occurred while processing your tax return. The account transcript will tell you when the tax return was received and if your tax refund has been approved. What does the NA status mean on my tax transcripts? The NA indicates that the tax records are not available yet. The IRS has received your tax return for the tax year showing an NA, but the system has not generated the transcript records yet. If you are seeing an NA status when checking your tax transcripts, the NA status indicates that the tax records are not available yet, and the IRS has received your tax return for that tax year, but the system has not generated the tax transcript records yet. If you are checking your tax transcript records and come across an NA status in the place of a certain year's tax transcript, the NA status means the tax records are not available and will inform you that you are checking your transcript records too early. The IRS system has received your tax return, but the tax records for the year showing an NA are not available yet. The NA will update to the tax year once the IRS starts processing the tax return and the tax return is entered into the IRS master file. When will the NA status on my transcripts update? There is no set date when your NA status, not available status, might update. Once your tax return is in the IRS master file for processing, your NA status will update with your current tax year's transcripts. Our recommendations: check your tax transcripts each week and wait for the tax transcripts to be generated and the tax return to be posted to the IRS master file. We hope the information shared in this video can help some people get a better understanding about the NA status and what the NA status means on their tax transcripts. If you have the NA status on your tax transcripts, drop a comment below. How long did it take for your transcripts to update from the NA status to the current tax year's transcripts? Please feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you found the information shared here to be useful. Thank you very much. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you again in the next video.